Namaste. Welcome to all. Today we learn how to find square root of a trinomial set. Okay, if you want to find square root of a plus under root of b plus under root of c plus under root of d, if it is equal to under root of x plus under root of y plus under root of z, if you square on both sides and compare rational and irrational parts, the rational part x plus y plus z will be equal to the rational part a, and the x will be equal to square root of b times d upon 4c, and the y will be equal to square root of bc times upon 4d, and the z will be equal to square root of cd times upon 4b. Okay, so you will not understand anything. If you solve a problem, then it will be clear. Okay, let us find the square root of 12 plus 2 times root 21 plus 2 times root 6 plus 2 times root 14. Okay, here see, first it should be in this form, no? So what we have to do? 2 times root 21, 2 times root 6, 2 times root 14 they gave. See, 2 what we can write? Square root of 4. Square root of 4 into square root of 21, that is square root of 84. Here also this you can similarly square root of 4 into square root of 6, that is square root of 24. Here also square root of 4 into square root of 41. Laws of radicals if you use, that is square root of 4 times 14, that is 56. Now we got b value, c value, d value. B is 84, c is 24, d is 56. Okay, see, now we'll calculate x, that is b times d upon 4c. What are b and d values? 84 and 56. 84 and 56 upon 4 times c. C value is 24. Now we'll cancel and we'll get the x. 12 2s are 12 7s are. Now 4 times 4 1s are 4 14s are. Still 2 is there in denominator. 2 1s are 2 7s are. Numerator 7 times 7 is there. 7 times 7 means, that is under root of 7 times 7 means 7 itself. And the y value is under root of next bc you have to take. B times c, that is 84 times 24 upon 4 times 56 d. Now 14 times we'll take, that will be easy. 14 times 4 is 56. 14 times 6 is 84. Now we can cancel further. 4 times 4 1s are 4 6 are 24. Now still we can cancel. 2 times 2 3s are. Here also 2 1s are 2 3s are. Finally what is there? Under root of 3 times 3, that is nothing but 3. Okay, now z value, see, we can use this. C times d upon 4 times b. What is c and d? 24 and 56. 24 and 56 upon 4 times b we have to write. CD if you multiply, no, we have to write b. B is 84. Now cancel. 12 2s are 12 7s are. 7 1s are 7 8s are 56. 4 1s are 4 2s are. Under root of 2 times 2 is there, that is nothing but a 2. So with using shortcut, how easily we can write square roots. Now the square root of 12 plus 2 times root 21, 2 times root 6, 2 times root 14, that is what they have given. That is equal to under root of x. Okay, so under root of x we have to find, no? Okay, and the x value how much we got? Root 7 plus y value how much we got? 3, and the z value is 2. Okay, if you square these things, okay, we will get the same. Okay, so we will see. We will verify algebraically also whether it is correct or not. Let me verify algebraically. I have used the formula. I have to verify whether it is correct or not. Okay, what I will do? See, I have to find the square root of this, no? 12 plus 2 times root 21, 2 times root 6 plus 2 times root 14. Here, see, this what I can write. Okay, this 7 times 3 I can write. 7 3s are. This 6 I can write 3 times 2. And the 7 how you can write? 2 times 7. And see, if you add this number, see, 2, 3 and 7, you are going to get 12. So easily we can factorize using algebraic identities. See how you will come to know one by one. Okay. Answer I won't erase. I have to verify whether the answer is correct or not. So what I will do, this I will write like this. 12 you can write it as 7 plus 3 plus 2. It is 12 only. This one what I will write, instead of root 21, I will write root 7 into root 3. Okay, so 21 you can write 7 times 3. Using laws of radicals, you can write root 7 into root 3, like that. This how I can write 2 times root 3 into root 2. This how I can write root 14, root 2 into root 7. Okay, 7 you take it as A. This one you take it as B. This one you can take it as C. Now see here, A square is there. No. A root 7 we have to take. So one more step I will write. It will be more clear. See, under root of this what I can write, root 7 whole square, root 3 whole square. This 2 I can write as root 2 whole square. Now remaining things are there. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB is there, plus 2BC is there, plus 2CA is there. It is the formula for A plus B plus C whole square. So this what I can write, that will be equal to under root of A is root 7, B is root 3, C is root 2. A square plus B square plus C square, I will write here. A square plus B square plus C square. We are having 2AB plus 2AB. Here 2BC is there. Here 2CA is there. It is in this form, no? And we know it is nothing but A plus B plus C whole square. Using that formula, you can write here. Since A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA is equals to A plus B plus C whole square. This formula. Here A is root 7, B is root 3, C is root 2. This whole square. Square and square root will get cancelled. So what you are going to get? This only, no? What we are going to get? Root 7 plus root 3 plus root 2. Okay. See, suppose, we have verified algebraically also. Suppose we are having some minus sign here and here. Then what changes will come? That time we should know. See here for 6 and 14, what is the common factor? For 6, 2 is there. For 14, here what is the common thing? 2. So that will be negative. Here minus sign as they have given. If they ask you to find square root of 12 plus 2 times root 21 minus 2 times root 6 minus 2 times root 14. That times its square root will be root 7 plus root 3 minus root 2c. Okay, we have to find like that. Okay, we have given shortcuts, we have verified algebraically, and we told if they have given another question how we can find the square root of a trinomial. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.